a super cool day. It's super sunny outside and we're heading to the Botanic Gardens, so double the fun! You can see this, but it's like little pieces of ice falling down. And just like 2 seconds ago, I was talking about how sunny it is and nice it is. That's Ireland for you. Upstairs here, they actually have an astronomy exhibit. Very cool. So anybody in Dublin right now and is even semi-interested in stars or the galaxies, come and have a look because it's pretty incredible.